And welcome back again. In this video we will discuss possible survey outcomes. If your survey has found that you do not have a problem with mould, all well and good. But if you do, you need to take action. Whether you have conducted your own survey or inspection or paid someone else, you will need to organise resources with the aim of solving the problem. Let's say your home has had an escape of water from a radiator or a burst pipe or any other form of water ingress. Do not let it dry on its own. Do not assume things have dried out because you put your hand on the surface and it feels dry. Your hand is made mostly of water and is not a good tool for assessing whether building materials are acceptably dry. Consider that an escape of water may flow deeper into structural materials and voids where you cannot see or feel. Instruments should be used. Call your insurer or a specialist drying contractor or take action and do it yourself. If it's a maintenance issue that is allowing water into your home through disrepair, carry out the repairs. Repair, replace or install mechanical ventilation in bathrooms, kitchens and utility rooms. Make sure your ventilation works and is adequate. Declutter your home because clutter allows the build-up and creation of reservoirs of dust. In general, keep surfaces clean. Address lifestyle issues which may be contributing to a build-up of humidity or moisture. For example, consider how and where you dry your washing. You could also consider air purifiers or dehumidifiers or both. These are just examples of some of the things that can be done to prevent or solve a potential mould problem. If you have mould, you need to clear it up and address the source, otherwise the mould will return. But be careful, improper removal of mould can spread the contaminant and make things worse. So how do we remove mould? Who should be doing the work? Depending on the level of contamination, you may be tempted to do this yourself. In many cases, and for many people, that may not be a problem. However, if you or any of your household are unwell or vulnerable, such as the very young, the elderly or immunocompromised persons, some types of mould remediation work may be best left to a professional remediator who will carry out the work in a manner which protects the occupants and themselves from the fungal debris that will be released during the process. We cannot precisely explain how every job would be done in a video like this, but we do provide a free downloadable document from our website which sets out how professionals will be expected to carry out the work with the aim of protecting everyone to the levels defined in health and safety guidance and printed standards. The document is called MOULD DIY. You will find the link below. In our next video, we outline how we can be of help. Thank you for watching.